the Amazon River, Delaware Bay, Madras, India, trans-navigating the globe, and the ancient giant stone spheres, all just ahead. Welcome to Explorers Edition of World History Report. I'm Arthur, your host for the program. Today, we will look back at journeys of discovery that happened in the last days of August through the centuries of exploration. On August 26, 1542, Francis de Orellana navigated the Amazon River, reaching the Atlantic Ocean. He will always be remembered as the first person, at least from the Western world, to navigate the length of the Amazon River. On August 28, 1609, English explorer Henry Hudson discovers and explores Delaware Bay. By the way, Delaware is called the Diamond State because Thomas Jefferson described Delaware as a jewel among the states due to its strategic location along the eastern seaboard. On 22nd of August, 1639, Madras, now Chennai, India, was founded by the British East India Company on a sliver of land they bought from the local Nayak rulers. It is considered the first British settlement in India. On 29th of August, 1728, the city of Nuuk in Greenland was founded as the fort of Godhavn by the royal governor Klaus Pars. The Guinness Book of World Records recognized that Nuuk has the most northerly capital of a dependency in the world. Nuuk is one of the most colorful cities in the world. Originally, building colors were indicative of function. Commercial houses were red, the hospitals were yellow, police stations were black, the telephone company was green, and fish factories were blue. Now let's take our attention to another cool and beautiful place. On the 20th of August, 1741, Alaska was first sighted by Danish explorer Vitus Bering. Did you know that Aurora Borealis, or Northern Lights, can be seen an average of 243 days a year in Fairbanks, Alaska? The northern lights are produced by charged electrons and protons striking the Earth's upper atmosphere. And on August 21st, 1770, James Cook formally claimed Eastern Australia for Great Britain, naming it New South Wales. Did you know that he was the first British ship commander to circumnavigate the globe in a lone ship and to prevent the outbreak of scurvy by regulating his crew's diet, serving them citrus fruit and sauerkraut to prevent the disease? I love sauerkraut. On the 30th of August, 1873, Austrian explorers Julius von Payer and Karl Weibrecht discovered the archipelago of Franz Joseph Land in the Arctic Sea. One of the islands in the archipelago has something mysterious. It's covered with perfectly spherical stones of varying sizes, stone balls. The sizes of these stone balls vary. Some are smaller than ping pong balls, some are human-sized, and others are even larger, up to 3 meters in diameter. And in 1982, the 52,000-mile Trans-Globe expedition completed the first circumnavigation of the world's polar axis. British explorers Ranulph Fiennes and Charles Burton started the expedition in 1979 and had traveled for 3 years around the Earth via the poles. circling the Earth on longitude 0, the Greenwich meridian. It took them 16 months to reach the North Pole after leaving the South Pole. Their journey across Antarctica took 67 days. And that is all for now. I hope you enjoyed our Explorers edition of the World History Report, and see you soon.